Meanwhile, let's take a look. The brand new Wall Street Journal poll has just come out. It's great news for, as you can see right there, Ben Carson. For the first time since June, the leader is not Donald Trump. As you can see, he's got 29 and Donald Trump's got 23. The key, though, when you add them up, it's 52. And what that tells you is a majority of Americans, by a slight margin, are for the outsiders. And then after that, you got Marco, Ted, and Jeb, as you can see, a fraction of what the outsiders have.
Marco Rubio taking a new slot in third place right there. And Donald Trump is going to join us live right here on the curvy couch, has a new book out, 7:40 a.m. You're not going to want to miss that.